Dear students and friends, let us start with the third part of the usages that take a singular verb. So, we are dealing with the usages that take a singular verb. We have already finished two parts, so we will start with the part third. So, here we have taken some usages where you have to concentrate, that is the usage of the word another. So, when you have the word another, how will you use it when it comes to a sentence, or how will it agree with the subject? That is important. Now, another, there is an example, I am going to have another ice cream. So, there is a sentence where it is used as I am going to have another ice cream. Now, what is the meaning here? It means one or more person or thing or an extra amount. So, here I am going to have another ice cream means you want to have the another ice cream, that is another one more. So, another is used to refer one more. So, another can be used for a person or a thing or an extra amount of the same thing. Now, one more example. See here. Do you want to exchange this stove for another, or do you want money back? So, here the meaning is, it means a different person or thing. You are going for a shop, there you want to exchange your stove for some other thing. You may want to buy one more stove, or you may want to buy a mixie or something else. So, the shopkeeper is asking you the question, do you want to exchange this stove for another, or do you want money back? So, do you want some other thing? You want to buy another item, or do you want money back? So, another can be used for both purposes. One is when you are in need of the same kind of thing. When you are in need of the same kind of thing, or when you are exchanging something with another type of thing. So, that is the usage. So, here you can be very clear with the usage. Okay. Next one is every. Every example, there is a gift for every student in the class. So, observe this usages here, every. So, I have given you different examples, and I am trying to explain how this word every is used in the sentence and how the usages goes on changing. There is a gift for every student in the class. So, see the note here, we use every plus singular noun to refer individually to all the members of a complete group. So, here when you are telling there is a gift for every student in the class, what does it mean? So, here you are using the word every plus singular noun. There is a singular noun here, every student. Now, what does it refer? It refers individually to all the members in the complete group. Now, there is a classroom of 25 students, and you come and tell that there is a gift for every student in the class. Every student in the class. So, it is a singular usage. Every student. So, now here it is referring to each and every individual student in the class. So, that is very important. Every student wants to participate in the annual sports. Every student wants to participate in the annual sports. When every referred to the subject of the clause. What is this subject of the clause? See here, every student wants to participate. Every student wants to participate. So, this you can take as a clause. It is an independent clause. It is a meaningful part of the sentence. So, it is a meaningful part of the sentence and it is a clause. Now, when every referred to the subject, So it is referring to the subject of the clause, every student. So that time what happens? We use a singular verb. Even though you are telling for everyone in the class, but it will be taking the singular verb. Now which is the singular verb here? Can anyone identify? Yes, it is wants. Wants. Every student wants to participate in the annual sports. See, why am I explaining it in detail is, so suddenly you should not take it as a plural one, because here when it is telling every student, it is the singular usage, but it is referring to the whole group, and thus the verb what you take, it becomes singular. When every refer to the subject of the clause, we use a singular verb. So here, as I have told you, every student wants to participate. It is the clause. It is the clause and it is a meaningful part of the sentence. You can also call it as independent clause. Independent clause, it doesn't depend on any other clauses to give meaning. It is meaningful clause or it gives you proper information. Okay, next one. It is good to practice yoga every morning. It is good to practice yoga every morning. Now see the usage here. Every is used with the singular noun to refer to something that happens regularly. That happens regularly. So you can also use every with the singular noun to refer to something that happens regularly. It is good to practice yoga. It is good to practice yoga. It's a singular usage every morning. Means it's a regular process. Next example. I attend dance classes every 2 days. I attend dance classes every 2 days. Every is used with the number and a plural noun to refer to regular intervals of time or numbers. So what happens? Every is also used with the number and plural nouns. Plural noun means it is here days. This is the number. This is the plural noun. But how are you using it? You are using it to refer to regular intervals of time or numbers. Which is that regular intervals of time? That is every 2 days. Every 2 days means once in 2 days. Each after 2 days you attend the classes, that is dance classes. So 2 days once you attend the dance classes. So these are all the usages of the word every. See, very important. So I have explained you all the usages. Usually these usages will help you out in improving your language or your written English. But when it comes to your exam point of view also, you should be very careful. So what are the things you have to remember is, these are the things, the note what I have given. One is, we use every plus singular noun to refer individually to all the members of a complete group. That is one thing. Next one, when every refer to the subject of the clause, we use a singular verb. The next one is, every is used with the singular noun to refer to something that happens regularly. The last one is, every is used with a number and a plural noun. So don't get confused when there is a plural noun. 2 days. Don't get confused there. To refer to regular intervals of time or numbers. So here keep reading, and as I have told you, go through the usages in your lessons and try to solve the exercises by yourself. So maybe it is the exercises that are there in 10th standard books, English books, or even for the PUC children or students, you have exercises regarding subject-verb agreement. So apply this rule and fill in the exercises which will help you to enhance the usages of all these words. Okay, thank you.